start right here at the front. When you start up the Fisker Ocean, the headlights will turn on with our signature 2-bar design. This design represents the designer's pen and the engineer's ruler. This beautiful LED headlight has a distinctive stripe that leads to the Ocean logo. And of course, we have our light-up Fisker badge on the hood. Depending on the market, these may or may not stay on while the car is in motion, so be sure to check for your specific market. The lighting design on the Fisker Ocean features Henrik Fisker's signature thin LED design style. Paired with the car's wide stance, this car certainly looks iconic. Moving towards the bumper, we have our indicator lights here, opening up to a wide grille element. On the lower grille, we have our digital radar, which helps with all the advanced driver and safety systems. Above that, we have a front-facing camera for the 3D view, as well as some parking sensors to detect nearby objects. The side markers are located here, but these might look different depending on your market. Moving up the hood, this might be something customers will ask about. This is our washer fluid reservoir. This access point means that you won't have to open up the hood to top up the washer fluid. Moving backwards, we have our side mirrors. The side mirrors have the same 2-bar design mimicking our logo. You can see we have more cameras on the mirrors, and on the other side of the mirror we have indicator lights for our blind spot assistance system. Just in front of the left mirror, we have our charge port. When the car is unlocked, you can push the right side of the charge port to open up the latch. Depending on the market, the charger plug might look different. But you'll see next to the plug, we have a charging indicator light that will flash different colors depending on the charging state. When the car is unlocked, the door handles will present themselves. When you walk away from the car will lock and the door handles will automatically retract back into the door. On the back corner of the car, behind our doggy windows, you'll see the See Me signals. Depending on your market, this could either be black or could have a reflector on it just like this one. These signal lights lead into our ultra-thin LED taillights. You might notice that this panel covering the taillights is actually plastic. In order to make the LED light this thin, we designed the panel cover to be plastic so that we could achieve this shape and give easy access when replacing the doggy windows. Towards the rear liftgate, you'll notice that the Fisker badge also lights up. On this particular model that we have, it is a Fisker Ocean 1 trim, so you'll see the 1 badge on the right side. Above the rear license plate, you'll see that there's a video camera for the main display. But if you move to the top of the liftgate, just above the windows, you'll see another camera there. This camera is actually for the digital rear view mirror, so that you have a view that is true to the height and angle that you're used to. When we open up the liftgate, we can see the generous 425 liters of storage inside the Fisker Ocean. The cargo floor does open up to reveal some more storage space, as well as some organizers to keep things from rolling around. That wraps up our quick exterior tour of the Fisker Ocean.